trip on it. Yeah. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell time.
Hey y'all, what's up? Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So I am showing you guys the hair I'll be working with. This is GLEEmade hair in Silk Press Yaki. It's a new texture that I just added to the website. It's a texture that's in between straight and the beach blowout. So beach blowout is closer to like kinky straight, and straight is just bone silky straight. So this one is more like when your hair has a silk press. So it's got like that natural sort of texture to it, but pressed out. And I developed this texture because I wanted a texture that matched perfectly with my own hair when it's flat ironed, and this texture does just that. So let's start off with the braid pattern. So we're gonna go ahead and do a middle part section for our leave out for our quick weave. So today we're just going to do a middle part quick weave, but it is going to be versatile, so you will be able to pull it up into a ponytail and have it look seamless. So once you section off your middle part, you're going to go ahead and put that to the side, and then you're going to grab your leave out around the perimeter. So I start with the front and then start working my way around the sides and the back perimeter. Now, based on the density of your hair, you can only know how much leave out you need. You know, if your hair is finer, you probably need more leave out. If your hair is thicker, you probably need less. And if you plan to, you know, wear your hair in its natural state, like just determine it based off of the density of your hair. You can cornrow this section away, or you can just twist it and put a rubber band on it, which is what I decided to do. So kind of make sure you take your time with this, because this part is pretty critical to the style, because you just want to make sure you have enough hair to cover when you pull your hair up, but you also don't want to have too much hair out, because it's just easier not having too much of your hair out as leave out. It just makes the style easier to deal with. So now that all the leave out is taken care of and rubber band away, you're going to want to put your braids in. I always do 5 braids, 2 diagonal braids on either side, and 1 braid going straight down the middle. And if you guys are wondering, my hair is 100% natural. My hair is 4C texture, but I did do a trim on my hair, so my hair is straightened and trimmed. If you guys want to see a video on that, I can absolutely share that with you guys. Just leave a comment down below. So now we're going to get started with the base, and I am going to do a liquid cap base. So it's been so long since I've done a quick weave, I totally forgot. You can't put the cap on first. You have to put the liquid base on first. This is the Salon Pro 30-second Quickweave base. It's called Wonder Bond something something. I don't know. I'll leave it in the comments down below. I get this off of Amazon. I think it's like $10. So I'll leave a link down below where you can grab this product. But this is basically going to create a barrier between your hair and the glue when you start gluing the tracks on for your Quickweave. So you want to make sure that you put this bond, this barrier, directly onto your braids. Then you're going to want to put the cap on, and then you're going to want to do another layer of this bond protector over the cap. So you have 2 layers of protection between your natural hair and the glue that is going to be placed onto it with the Quickweave. So I always use a lighter color cap because it's just easier for me to find the cap and see it when it's time for me to cut the cap away. Sometimes it does cause issues because you can kind of see that lighter color once the hairstyle is done, but I'll show you how you can disguise that later. You do not have to use a light color cap if you do not want to, but just for my own purposes and being afraid that I might end up cutting my own hair, I just like to have that lighter color cap underneath because it just helps me to see what I'm cutting and making sure that I'm not cutting my hair. So here is the first pack of hair. This is the Silk Press Yaki from GLEEmade in 24 inches. And you want to make sure that you're placing that cap on your braids and you're not placing it on your leave out. Because remember, if you get that bond protector on your leave out, excuse me, not that bond protector, if you get this glue on your leave out, it will make it impossible for you to use your leave out and comb it out. The glue will dry on it and it'll just make a mess. So be very, very careful when you're placing that first initial track. Make sure that you are not placing it on your leave out and that you are placing it on your cornrows. So once I place a good amount of tracks, I go ahead and start releasing the cap. The cap starts to just get tighter and tighter as time goes on of you placing the tracks. So I like to release that tension by just, cutting a slit in the cap and making sure that I'm good with the cap for the rest of the Quickweave. Sometimes I don't put enough of that bond protector close enough to my leave out or close enough to my parting space. So I'll have to add more just to keep the cap down. So you can always just add more, grab your blow dryer and, keep the cap where it needs to be. And then you can kind of just, trim away any excess after that. I hope that makes sense. If that's not making sense, let me know in the comments and I'll try to explain it down there. So as you can see, I just opened up my second pack of hair. This is the 22 inch. And so you can see how far the 24 inch got me, basically halfway through my head. So now this is the 22 inch of the Silk Press Yaki from GLEEmade. And if you guys are interested in this hair, this is a texture that I've been developing for a while now, and I'm super happy with the way it came out. So if you guys would like to try this hair, I am going to post it on my Amazon storefront as well as on my GLEEmade store. So I'll leave links down below. Now this hair is a specific texture that you do have that is created by order. So this hair does take 3 days to make and it takes another 3 to 4 days to ship. So if you order this hair, it will be about a 6-day process for you to receive it, just to let you know. So once you get closer to your middle part, you're going to start to just close up that space and then also just trim away any excess cap. Like I said, this is where it really helps having that lighter color cap because you can actually see what you're doing. But it does kind of show up a little bit. So I'll show you how to disguise that too once we get to that step. And be sure at the top of your head that you're putting tracks all the way up to the top and to where that last parting area is. You want to put a track literally on your scalp right there, because it'll just make the quick weave really seamless and super flat. And if you can't see any of that lighter color cap, just grab a black eyeliner or a black lip liner and just color it in, and you won't be able to see it anymore. So now that the entire quick weave is done, remember this is a versatile quick weave, so you want to clip away all of the hair, and you want to make sure that you trim any of that excess cap all around the sides of the quick weave. So you want to make sure you trim that cap as close as possible all the way around the quick weave, so that you know, when you get ready to pull the hair up, it is seamless and you can't see it. And then you're going to want to go ahead and release your leave out. Now you can start the blending process and styling process of your hair into the quick. It's so funny, I planned to wear this in a middle part, but when I took my hair down, I was like, ooh, curtain bangs, anyone? I feel like I could have definitely gotten away with wearing this quick weave as a bang style, because it just so happened that my hair looked like it was the perfect amount of hair for a bang. But I didn't end up doing that. I just thought about it. All right, you guys, so this is the end result. This is how the hair came out. Let me sit up. Let's see if I can sit up a little bit so you guys can see the bottom. The hair is very long. So you see, you get a lot of inches with the GLEEmade hair. You don't have to worry about getting shorted with your inches. And I didn't even end up using the longest length. The 26-inch pack is still here. I didn't even use it. I used the 20, the 22, and 24. So I'm 5'7.5", and this hair is coming all the way down like past my waist. And look at the way it blends. Look at how it blends with your natural hair. This is straight out the pack. It's not blow dried. It's not flat ironed, nothing. This is just this hair blending with mine. I didn't do any baby hairs. I didn't even feel the need to do baby hairs. This hair looks so natural, so pretty. And my makeup came out fire today. I'm gonna do an updated makeup routine with you guys because I have gotten my makeup down to 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. Lashes are GLEEmade, hair is GLEEmade. These earrings I did get off of Amazon, so I will share that link with you all. If I don't remember to share it, definitely remind me in the comments. But yeah, this is the end result. This dress is from Shein. This dress is so cute. It's from Shein, and I will leave a link to that too. If I forget the links, y'all just remind me and I'll put them in. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick weave. This is versatile. Let me show you guys the versatility of the quick weave. You don't want a super hard brush. Like, you want a brush that's gonna be a little bit softer because it's a quick weave, y'all. You don't want to be roughing it up. So cute. Again, you could use hairspray if you want to. I don't want to because I'm gonna wear it down for a couple days, and then when I get tired of it down, that's when I start wearing it up usually. So I'm not gonna use hairspray right now, but you can easily use hairspray or edge control, whatever you want to do if you want to wear it up, and you can do the ponytail tighter. I just don't want to right now. I'm loving this versatile quick weave. I haven't done one of these in years, so definitely share this video if you've learned something. If you have questions, leave them in the comments, and I will be sure to get back to you all. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I have nothing else. I'm just like obsessed. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.